Here at NextCorps, our mission is to help entrepreneurs launch new companies and help established businesses grow revenue and profitability. Ultimately, we're trying to help create jobs and economic growth here in the Rochester, New York region and across New York State. And we do that through a number of different programs that we operate under the NextCorps umbrella. In partnership with RIT, we are a New York State Innovation Hotspot. We have an incubator program, we have a couple of accelerators focused on industry verticals, and we have a New York State Manufacturing Extension Partnership Center, all within NextCorps. Probably the thing we're most proud of recently is the opening of this new downtown innovation zone incubator space. So we opened this 40,000 square foot facility in 2018. We've got over 60 companies in this incubator alone, and they range from software companies to physical products to medical devices to optics and imaging to clean tech companies. And so just to be able to work with these entrepreneurs on a day-to-day basis and see them solving real-world problems and getting their vision and their passion into the marketplace is just a really exciting thing to be involved with. You know, when you talk about impact both locally and regionally and even statewide, these are companies that are adding jobs, they're generating revenue, they're creating investment and helping grow the economy of the state. If you're a company trying to launch a new business or a company with an existing business you want to grow, there's just so many resources you can tap into. So New York State is unique in that respect in the amount of programs and resources available. It's also unique in the amount of talent. It's just a continuous pipeline of amazing talent that we've got, and that really helps grow these companies.